Lesson number 3. How a computer work. Class 2nd. To understand the working of a computer, look at this picture. First, put mango slices, sugar and milk into the mixer. It is called input. Second, start the mixer and it will mix to make the mango shake. It is process. The mango shake. Take the mango shake in glass and serve. It is called output. In the same way, a computer works on the concept of the IPO cycle. So, to do any work on a computer, you have to follow these 3 steps. These steps are input, process, output. Let us learn more about the working of computer. Input. Entering any data and instructions into the machine is called input. Process. Manipulating and working on data and instructions is called processing. Output. The things that comes out is called output. Here we can see an example for input, process and output. In a car we fill petrol, therefore for the car petrol is the input. For process, in the case of a car, processing is when the car is started. Output. Petrol is an input and the smoke is an output. When the smoke comes out of the car after start the car, we can say it is an output. The result or answer given by the computer is called output. Therefore, we can say that the instruction we give to the computer is input and the answer given by the computer is called output. But before the output to the user is given, The input is process. Whenever we give the instruction to computer is called input. When computer process that input, manipulate or analyze the data is called process. Whenever we get any output from the computer in the form of printed document or we can see on this monitor is called an output. This is known as the IPO cycle. I stand for input, P stand for process, O stand for output. Hardware. Hardware refers to the part of a computer that you can see and touch, such as monitor, CPU, central processing unit, keyboard, and mouse. According to the principle of input, process, and output, all the hardwares of a computer is classified into four categories. Hardware, the four categories are input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices. This helps to enter any data and instruction into the computer. Some input devices are joystick, keyboard, microphone, scanner, mouse, barcode reader. Processing device. The CPU is the processing device of a computer. The CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. Output devices. Output devices allow us to receive information from the computer. Some output devices are speakers, monitor, projectors, printer. Storage devices. These devices help us to store data for later use. Some of these devices are compact disc, pen drive, hard disk.